is grab your section from the top. We're gonna tie it right here. Go ahead and grab the orange and we're gonna tie it in the middle. The orange is going to be below the yellow. Let's go ahead and do 3 separations. Then orange is going to have 4. We're gonna have orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange. So let's go ahead and split a piece of orange out. Bring the yellow in. Let's grab another piece of orange, separate it out, bring the yellow in, and let's go ahead and split the last few orange and put the yellow in between. And that's how you create the ribbed effect. So now orange is going to go to the top, yellow and the next section of red is going to come together. And we're going to tie this right here. Orange has 4 sections. The red and yellow as one is going to have 5 sections.